So here is my after look of my bathtub. I have those frames there. Those are a set of 6. I have my towels here. I have like a hand towel and some sponges, and then some food scrubby and lotion. And on this side is I have a tool here. This used to be in my kitchen, but then I move it here. And I just have some bath salts in there, and then these bath bombs and candle. If I don't light them up, I usually put it behind it. And then I have a small succulent plant and some body mist, some face wash, and then body wash in the blue. And on top of it, I have this 3-tier plant, succulent plant that I made myself. The vases are from Dollar Tree, and then I got me a rope, like those tiny rope, and then I just put it in. I made it like that. And then I have this decor. I had this for a while now, like maybe a few years now. I got it from, I think, what's the store? I forgot, but it's kind of like a Ross or TJ Maxx, and I got it on clearance, I think $5 or $6. And then I made this sign myself. Those are from Dollar Tree. I just put it's a chalkboard, and then I just put it there, and then I just wrote refresh, relax, renew, and you can always change that. So you can either put soak, relax, unwind. So maybe sometimes I might change it. Pictures or a decor is actually a how do you say, it's not really like a painting, it's like a watercolor thingy. I ordered it on Facebook Market, and I paid about $15 for all prints. And then this just sent me the prints, and then I went to Dollar Tree and got me a gold frame on it, and I just framed it in here, and then I put it here on this side of the wall. So yeah, that's what I have here. And then I just have this cute little soap holder. I got it from Dollar Tree as well. It's the saying is really cute. It says it's the little things in life. So yeah, that's what my bathtub looked like. Before, it used to be just empty, nothing here, but I really want like a feeling of a spa, like that. I really just, maybe from time to time I can relax here and unwind here on the top. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, like and share my videos, and please don't forget to leave me some comment down below. I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye.